So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and like always, you are ready to learn a new strategy. So before we'll start the conversation, guys, this is the official page of our Olymptrade, where we are used to conduct sessions every now and then, where we are talking about different technical tools, strategies, market news, market updates. So if you are new to the page, make sure, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live again, so at least you will be able to get in touch with us. Okay, and the strategy which we are going to talk about, as I have already mentioned the name in the description, the name of the strategy is going to be Peacock. How this strategy can be applied manually, automatically, what are the things you need to take care of. Of course, I will be explaining everything, so just stay connected, just stay in touch so that I can explain it. In case if you will be finding any difficulties, doubt, question, query, that how exactly if anything works or anything regarding to that, feel free to write me in the comment section, because comment section is already active for you. So please make sure you have a full access of that. So make sure you use it wisely. Okay, and before we'll start the conversation, trader, please confirm me if my audio and video is clear. So far I have checked on my device, everything is streamlined, but still I would love to have a quick confirmation from your end also. Okay. And the strategy, as I have already mentioned, it's Peacock, but those traders, those who are not on that specific level and that strategy is locked for you, traders, do not worry about that one. I will be explaining that how this strategy can be applied. So no need to buy this strategy. Don't spend anything while buying this strategy. Okay, I can see, just a moment. Okay, so I can see that a few traders have already joined and I am waiting for a few more, so at least we can kick off today's conversation. And I think we should start without wasting any more time. We should kick off today's session, and in case if somebody will be joining later on, so of course they will be able to explore it again, so they can scroll it back. Okay, so let's start today's conversation, traders. So the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. There is a possibility some of you might be using a mobile application, so the interface can be different, but one thing I can tell you, that the strategy which we are going to use, the set of rule or the technicals, whatever we are going to apply, everything is available in both of them. Okay, now let's move to the application of strategy, like how you can apply this strategy. So I have opened a couple of assets on the basis of like majority on the profitability, like let's consider all more than 82%. So irrespective of this like currency, whether it's a currency pair, OTC, composite asset, metal, doesn't matter, because set of rule is going to be remain same. Let's first talk about how exactly strategy look like and how to apply it. So for that one, I'll just go to this technical analysis button, click on strategy, start scrolling it down, and fourth last strategy is the Peacock strategy. This can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading, FX, which means Forex. These three lines will be indicating that it's an expert level strategy, but again I am explaining myself. If this strategy is not active for you, traders, please make sure you don't buy it, because this can be applied manually also. Ram added by Rashid, very nice. I am happy to see that there are a few of my friends, they are sitting in another corner and I am able to connect with them. Govindji is from Gorakhpur, very nice sir, very nice, very nice. So okay, so let's start how this strategy looks like. I'll click on that one. A new set of like piece of information is going to be visible in the written format. A video is going to be there also. For now, no need to bother yourself, but like in case if you will skip something, in case in future if you want to apply it again, you want to revise it again, so either you can take help from that, or at the same time what I will be doing, I will be making sure that this session which we are conducting today, that will be available, that will be saved in the playlist also. In case if strategy is not available, you can take the screenshot of these three things: parabolic, zigzag, and Aruna Parunda. These are the things we are going to consider. I'll click on enable strategy and everything is visible on my screen. Now why I have asked you to take a quick screenshot of that one, because see, zigzag with the frequency of, let me show you frequency also, 10 and 5, parabolic with the frequency of 0.02, Arun with the frequency of 25. Okay, so these can be applied manually also, or you just need to search it. Once you will apply everything all together, then you will be getting a button on the top, like there will be 3 dots, and just click on save, and next, your strategy will be ready to be used for free. Okay, what do you think about STM300 crash? Sir, that's a very nice what we call asset you can consider, but it's very spicy, because it's having a combination of both the trading mode, whether you are fond of fixed time trading where quick results, quick profits, they are helping you to build your capital at the same time when you are holding forex trade. So there is no foundation that how much profit you can make from a specific trade. So in that one you can make a profit up to 400%, 500% also. So you can consider that thing. It's a very nice asset, but of course there is too much volatility, so you have to focus on that. It's a gaming platform, not trading. Danish ji, I want to correct you. So it's a trading platform, it's not a gaming platform. So what exactly I'm just trying to say, that because whenever any data is floating, any information is floating, you can find the direct movement, direct effect on this platform. Like you can check overall also, but this is the perfect example I am showing, because you will be able to correlate it right away. Mohammed Sumail ji, Walaikum Salam. I hope you are doing good. Okay, so let's talk about the strategy. And traders, in case if you will be finding any difficulties, feel free to keep on commenting in the comment section. I will be taking care of all the comments, and make sure whatever doubts you have, just keep on dropping it there. Okay, I will be coming back to the comment section, nothing to worry. Okay, now let's talk about that how the strategy works. So we'll move from top to bottom. So the first thing first, so the first one is zigzag. So zigzag, you can consider it also, you can remove it also, because I believe that zigzag sometime it is lagging. The reason behind, because see, if you observe that the market is moving in the downward direction, but there were a few moments when market moved into the upward. So it is used to keep on switch the shift the space, like shift the direction. It will indicate the same direction, but the internal movement, like whether the market move into the upward direction, sometime it is not able to showcase that one. So either you can keep it or you can remove it, that is completely up to you. Like if I'll give you a quick example also, so far we haven't received any confirmation from zigzag, right? So this is something which I want to tell you, that sometime it is lagging, or like you can avoid using that one, or if you want to you can keep it, but I don't really like to use that one. So what I will do, just to make it a bit more simple or easy to understand, I will try to keep minimum to minimum lines and everything, so that will be more easy to understand. Now let's talk about parabolic. So parabolic is a trend reversal tool. So whenever the market will switch the direction, so it will switch the placement also. So how parabolic appears? So if parabolic is below the chart, market can move into the upward direction. If they are on the upward direction, then market can move into the downward side. Now let's focus on the Arun up and Arun down. Now traders, on this one you need to focus. There are n number of set of rules you can focus on, but I'll try to give you the simple, the most simple one. So whenever there is going to be any intersection of these Aruns, so red one is Arun down, green one is Arun up. So whichever Arun is moving in the upward direction, that could be the direction of the market. I'm repeating again, whichever the Arun is going to move into the upward direction, which is moving towards 100 level, that could be the direction of the market. So if green is moving upward, market can move upward direction. If red is moving in the upward direction towards 100, then market can move into the downward. So first confirmation, you will be like, you can make a like visualize a 50 level, like which is in the middle of that one, so 100 and 0, so you can consider somewhere in the mid. So whenever any of the Arun is going to intersect each other and they are going to breach that 50 level, then we can assume that sooner or later signal can be there. Once they will hit this 100 level, then we can consider that signal is there and we can take a trade. No worries, in case if any doubt is there, if you haven't got anything like any doubt is there, any confirmation is missing, nothing to worry. I will be taking some trades, so of course I will be explaining that how exactly it works, so you will be getting some live examples also. Okay, now traders, before I'll start some live example, I'll start some live action. Some important points. First one, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss, so make sure you take full precautions before making some investment. Make sure you invest enough time, learn about the market, and then start making investment. Okay. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken, I am going to take during this session. Everything is going to be depending on my skill set, my practice, so I will be the responsible one for them. Third thing, even though this session is live, but still there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 20 second, 30 second to 1 minute. You can observe on your live chart also, and you can observe on the YouTube screen also, so you will be finding a difference of somewhere around 30 second to 1 minute. The reason behind why I am sharing this information with you, so please avoid doing a copy trade, okay, because that can lead to some negative results. And last, the most important, fourth thing, these are some mathematical based calculation technical tools, so they are not going to promise you 100% accuracy. So make sure before making any investment, try to grab a hold on the strategy and then start making some investment. And there are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy, so you need to focus on that also. Do not make a huge investment in a single trade. Okay, now let's try to take a couple of trades with the help of this strategy, and then I will keep on explaining. Okay, so as we can see that this now one more quick thing, traders. So whenever you will be observing that there is one of the Arun, whether it is Arun up or Arun down, whichever is just moving along with the 100 level, then it can indicate that the market can try to move in the same direction for a longer. So the first confirmation we will be getting from these intersections. Second confirmation, if they are just staying stuck to this level, and then they are keep on moving in the same direction. Now suggested time frame for this strategy, minimum suggested chart time frame is 1 minute, and the trade time frame is going to be 2 to 4 candles. So 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute can be considered as a trade. There is a very nice signal. So see, so we got the intersection, and at the same time parabolic change the direction also. So this is how you are going to pick your signal. These are the things you need to focus on. So parabolic is a trend reversal technical tool. So how exactly it is going to help you, or it is going to tell you that what can be the direction of the market. So we will not be taking, like when you are in the beginning of this strategy, so you will not be taking trades when the back-to-back parabolics are there in the same direction. So once they will switch their space, they will switch their place, either like they are in the upward direction, then they will switch to the downward, or vice versa, then we will consider that now there can be a price correction. Price correction, easy to understand. If the market is keep on moving upward, then market can change the direction and start moving in the downward. And at the same time, if market is keep on moving downward, then market can switch the direction and start moving in the upward direction. So far, any doubt, any issue, anything is there, just write me in the comment section. No need to bother yourself. I am still available for at least 40-45 minutes, so just let me know in the comment section. Okay, Harshi, just let me know what exactly I can help you with. Olymptrade ने आज मेरा 900 रुपए खा गया. Okay, Harshi, just let me know like whether it was related to your deposit or your withdrawal. Just share a bit more information so that I will be able to help accordingly. Pradeep Kumar ji, hello. Okay, traders, keep on commenting in the comment section if you will be having any doubt regarding this strategy. If you have used this strategy in the past, share your experience, because that is going to work in two different manners. First one, if you are not able to make profit with this strategy, of course I will be sharing my experience, I will be sharing my insights. If you are able to make profit, then of course another traders will get motivated that okay, this is something which is working for someone else, so of course we can try it. But traders, strategies are like medicine. It's not sure that if something is working for you, that will be working for someone else also. Okay, so far we have taken 5 trades, 1 trade positive, and okay, 1 trade no profit no loss, and 2 trades were negative. Let's have a look on these trades, and then we will try to, okay, so if we would have grabbed this opportunity a bit earlier, this position could be better. Let's have a look on this also. Yeah, the same scenario. So I was talking about this signal on at the beginning of this candle. I executed the trade on at this moment, and as a result we can see that the trade was a negative. But if we would have grabbed this opportunity in the beginning, there could be a better situation. No worries, in case if we have made some losses, nothing to bother about. We will try to recover it, because even though US market is about to open, so we can expect some sudden volatility that can happen. Okay, Harshji, nothing to worry about that one. Your money is still safe. Nobody has taken your funds. So just connect with the support team. Drop an email to support-en@olymptrade.com. Make sure you add the screenshot with that and share it with them. So what they will do, they will just raise a request. They will raise a task to the relevant department. They will look into it. They will fix it, and then you will receive your money. Nothing to worry. Okay, so Nona Khan Ji is new to the platform. Sir, very warm welcome. Thank you so much for joining our family. So I request you, as you are new to the platform, so make sure you learn about it and then start taking trade. Sir, no, nothing to worry about that. What is the status of that transaction, whether it is cancelled, declined, failed, irrespective of that one, because there could be some server issue, internet issue, or because of any XYZ reason, there can be this status. So nothing to bother about that one. Just connect with the support team, take the complete screenshot of that one, make sure receiver detail, sender detail, transaction ID, date, time, and amount. These 5 things should be visible in a single screenshot, and send it to support-en@olymptrade.com. They will take care of it. Okay, nothing to worry about that one. Your funds are safe. You will be getting that for sure. I'm so sorry, sir. Currently, those lines will not be those are under the maintenance, so you will not be able to call them. But just drop an email. They will be taking care of that one. And then now I'm just trying on demo. So it's good to see that you're trying on demo. Make sure whatever strategies you are learning, practice it on your demo account first. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, once you will be comfortable with that strategy, then I'll suggest start taking trades on your live account. So make sure it's completely fine. And when you will start moving on your live account also, do not start making investments with a huge capital. Start slowly. Start with $1 trade, and in case if trades are going positive, good to see, then you can increase the trade amount from 1 to 1.5, $2, $2.5, $3, something like that one. But do not increase it like the first 4 trades were for $1 and the next trade was for $10. So make sure you avoid doing that thing, because this is something which we call over trading. Please avoid doing that. Okay, so I'm just keep on shuffling my cards. I'm keep on shuffling assets wherever I'm finding any signals. I'm just taking my trades. If my trades will keep on going in the negative side, I will just change my trade amount also. And let's move back to the first asset. Okay, so there was a signal but we missed it. Let's see. And traders, see, it's a Japanese candle chart which we are following, so you can follow a couple of more points also, a couple of more things also. So let me give you some information about that also. So whenever you are taking trade with the Japanese candle, irrespective of the strategy, you can consider 3 more points. First one, always trade in trending market, because there is an old saying, trend is your friend. Kunal is also your friend, but as we always say, trend is your friend. So you can consider that thing, that market is always moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward, and sideways. So do not take trades in sideways trend. Second one, whenever you are going to execute any trade, make sure you consider the formation of the previous candle, or on the candle where you found the signal. So n number of signals, set of rule is going to be there, like it's a doji candle, it's a shooting star, it's a hanging man. So of course you will not be able to grab hold on everything. So let me try to make it simple, as I always believe that keep the thing simple. So what exactly you can focus on? Easiest way: bigger the body, smaller the wick, that can be considered as a nice candle. That's it. So this is something which you can focus on, and then you can start taking trades. What exactly that try to say, that whenever you are getting a like, you can of course you can focus on one more thing, that if the market is moving in the direction of the downward directions, then if the wick is in the upward direction, that can be considered. If the market is moving in the upward direction, if wick is at the bottom, then that can be considered. So what exactly is saying, that market was moving downward, but there was a rejection and market moved up, or market was trying to move in the upward direction, but there was a rejection, and the opposite party, or the buyer's side or the seller side, was having the more potential, so the market is moving in the down. So that's how exactly we are going to analyze the market. Okay, so very nice. So we got book our first profit. Now let me show you what exactly we have done. So we have changed the chart time frame, trade time frame, from 2 minute to 3 minutes. That's it. And we managed to book our first profit. Let's try. Let's see if our next trades are also going positive. This one is looking good so far. Almost 11 seconds are there to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. So we booked 2 back-to-back profit. NZD USD OTC was also profitable. Solana OTC was also profitable. NZD JPY I am just looking forward. So it is looking good so far, but market can switch at any moment. So nothing is sure. No worries. And this one is not looking good. Okay. No worries. So 3 profit. Very nice. NZD JPY OTC was also profitable. Stable tick is not doing good so far, so this one is looking negative. No worries. Let me do one thing. Let me take at least 1 or 2 more trades, and then I will come back to the comment section. Okay, so let's have a look what exactly we can fetch now. So CAD JPY. Okay, there is a signal, but we are quite late. Let's try to catch a running trend. Let's see if we will be able to make some profit. And yeah, so what exactly I was talking about, so there are basically major 3 things which we need to focus on whenever we are trading with Japanese candles. So first one is friend is your friend, second one is also consider the formation of the candle, and the third one is always consider the always consider the price levels. So whenever the market is moving in any specific direction, either in the upward direction or in the downward direction, so there are such certain levels which we call as support or resistance level. Support or resistance, if you are not aware about that one, so when the market is moving in the upward direction, and if the market is getting stuck at the same moment, at the same price level, like this one, and this one is almost similar, then market can bounce back. If I'll talk about the support levels, so these are the levels at the bottom of the market, bottom of the chart. So that's how exactly we are going to find it. And whenever you are finding any signal, irrespective of the strategy, just if you are using Japanese candle, please avoid taking trades during these intersections, because sometime what exactly can happen, market is moving in a certain direction and you will take a trade, but there is a support or resistance level and market will bounce back, so that can lead to a negative trade. So these are the things I believe that you should be focused on. I want to execute a trade with a higher amount, but I will be using a RFT. Just let's wait if this price level will be breached or not. So we will wait at least next 19 seconds here. Let's see if this level will be breached, then I will be following the trend. If the market will bounce back, then I will take a trade on the trend reversal. Let's see if this trade will go positive. And specifically, basically these levels like support and resistance, these we can consider for at least like 2 candles. So market is stuck somewhere. So I have executed my trade. Let's see how exactly it will go. Let's move to another asset. Let's have a look on the so these trades are not looking good so far. Let's have a quick look on that. Okay, so it's quite near, but these parabolic, they have switched their direction. If we would have taken the trades on previous candles, because this downward direction trend was there and it was being showcased by the Arun down from a very long time, because that was just moving parallel to the 100 level. So it's very quite near, but I'm not sure if this will go positive. we will be losing with a very small, we lost the trade, but we were very close, see. So we were quite close, and that was with a very low margin. The trade was negative, but no worries. Let's try to take a few more comments and then I will come back. Okay. So sir, price कैसे मिलेगा? Karthia ji, I'm not sure which price you are talking about, but if you are talking about some giveaways, so those we are conducting special webinars where we are conducting some challenges, so you can participate in that one. So of course you will be getting it there. Pradeep ji, today we are not conducting any such webinars, so no Google form link. Okay, on demo I did take profit, but sir, I feel little bit scared to invest money. Sir, that is completely fine. I completely understand that anxiety. That take your time until and unless you are not comfortable with the strategy. Please do not make any investment, because once you will start making investment, then you will be very eager to make money. And sometime, in case if you will be making any negative trade, that can affect your trading psychology. So the best which I can suggest you, when you will be taking trade on your live account, start with the minimum. And if you what exactly you can do, so if you feel that you are not comfortable, you are not sure about the signal, use the minimum amount. So what exactly will happen, either you will be getting a small profit along with the confidence, or you will be making a loss, but that is going to be a very small loss. Okay, so nothing to worry about that. Harshji, the standard time frame, like once the task is raised, that can take 24 hours to 5 working days. 24 hours is the maximum, but you can 5 working days is the maximum, but we will try our best to get it resolved as soon as possible. So you will be getting. Okay, Shabir ji saying fraud है, सब proof है, 4 साल से इस्तेमाल करना हूँ, मेहरबानी कीजिए, भरोसा मत कीजिए हम लोगों को. Sir, I am so sorry that if you feel that way, but can you share a bit more experience that why you feel that it's a fraud or something like that? But I just want to share one information that we are regulated by government of Venue 2. We are member of FinCom also. Everything is streamlined. You can check every trade code. Everything is visible on the screen also. And it's not like that if on my platform it's showing different code, on your platform it is going to show different code. You can cross verify it with anyone. Like open Olymptrade in your device and open Olymptrade in any another, and then you can check. Nona Khan ji, as I have already shared that we are being taken care by FinCom, like we are member of FinCom, so of course you can trust. And at the same time, spend your time, explore it until and unless you are not sure on your own. I'll give a direct recommendation that you can keep on trading on demo account. Okay, account verify कर लिया है फिर भी. Okay, so you are having a few some capital which is stuck. So sir, for that one, just get in touch with the support team. They will be the best one. They will be guiding you with that one. Okay, so sir, Harshi, I'm sure that I have already clarified your doubt, but still, in case if you have any doubt, you can connect with the support. Of course, sir, you will be getting, Shabir ji, you will be getting your complete amount if any verification is ongoing. So once that verification will be completed, of course you will be getting. I'm so sorry, sir, I might have missed your signal, but still, thank you so much for that. Okay. Just 1 second. Sir, just wait for some time, like once the relevant department will check that one, of course, then after that they will be explaining that, or like they will be answering you. Or let me share you one more thing, that whenever your account is getting blocked, so at the same second you are getting a email confirmation also. And traders, I request you, please do not spam your messages, spam your these doubts or like any of the same messages, because see, sometimes there are some other traders also, those who want to ask something, or they might be having some question or query. So of course I need to take care of that also, so I request you, please do not spam your. Okay, of course, sometime I'm taking some time to take answer your query, answer your question, but that is not something that I am ignoring it or I have missed it. In case if you feel that I am talking about a comment which is below your comment, then you can paste it again. Okay, I hope you respect that one. Okay, traders, any question, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and let's have a look on our trades. Okay, so very nice. We took one trade on CAT CHF OTC trade on the basis of support and resistance. I increased the trade amount from $15 to $100. Trade went positive, and whatever the losses we have made so far, everything is recovered. Good to see. Okay, let's move back to the strategy. Let's move back to the different assets. Okay, so we'll again start hunting. We'll keep on shuffling our cards. Wherever we will be finding any any signal, we will be taking a trade. Okay, again I'm repeating the set of rule. Whenever the parabolics, they are switching their like they are shifting their space, like from upward to downward, downward to upward, that can be the direction of the market. They will be indicating that the market is trying to reverse itself. And at the same time, the second confirmation we will be getting from the Arun up and Arun down. So whichever line, let me try to make it a bit more easy. So red means market can move into the downward. So whichever Arun is hitting or just next to the 100 level or towards the 100 level, that could be the direction of the market. If red is there, market can move into the downward. If green is there, market can move into the upward. You can also get the confirmation on the basis of these intersection, but make sure these intersection are in the just above the 50 level. So these are above the mid level. Okay, so you need to consider that thing. And at the same time, if any of the Arun is just moving parallel to 100 level or just stick to 100 level, then you can try to follow the same direction. But at that time, I'll suggest try to invest lower as usual. Like if you are keep on taking trades with $10 or $15 behind every signal, but when you will be getting a signal like this one, you can reduce the trade amount also. This is something which you can follow. Okay, ये लोगों ने ब्लॉक कर दिया, फ्रॉड है. भोजानी शबीर जी, I request you, whatever the doubts you have, just connect with the support team. They will be the best one, because here you are just keep on spamming the same comment and I will be keep on repeating the same information. And at the same time, I am from the VIP department, so the major hold I have, that is on the trading only. Okay, so just connect with the support team. They will be the best one. They will be the one who will be helping you with that. Okay, again I am repeating, just connect with the support team. Okay. Okay, let's move back to the signals. Let's try to find a few more signals, and we executed a few trades. Let's see how exactly these are going on. Solana is not doing good, but the USD JP5 is doing fine so far. Okay, none is giving sir, they might take some time, so just connect with the support team. They will be the best one, those who will be able to get help you with that. Okay, so just connect with them. Okay, so let's move back. Okay, Solana is not looking good so far. It's quite near, but still we have almost 30 seconds, so we can. Okay. Ali, can you just ask your doubt again? I am not getting your doubt. Please don't talk. Why? Okay, so Solana is looking negative. No worries. So let's keep on shuffling, keep on moving to another different assets. We can do one thing. We can open a few more assets, a few more currency pairs or OTCs, and we will try to take trade on them. Set of rule is going to be remain same. We are not going to change anything with that one. So we are just going to wait for these intersection, these parabolic confirmation. If you wish, you can use zigzag also. I'm not that comfortable with that one, but it's not like that. If I'm not using that one, you should also avoid using that. Of course, you can use it. That is completely up to you. It's just going to give you an indication that what can be the direction of the market. That's okay. So here we can consider as a support level. Let's see if we will be able to observe something, that if market will be getting stuck here, I will try to open a trade with the let's trade this time with $50. If the market will stuck here, I will execute a trade in the upward direction, because I believe that market is trying to move in the downward direction, but there is a very strong support level. let's see, we almost have almost 16 seconds, 15 seconds to go, and in case if there will be some rejections, so we will try to execute a trade. At the same time, parabolic is indicating that market can move into the downward direction. Let's see how exactly it works. So we have executed our trade. Let's see if this trade will go positive. So let me move back to these same conditions which we were following earlier. So $15 trade chart amount and 3-minute trade time duration. Okay, let's have a look. So CHF is not looking good so far. Let's have a look on that one. Okay, so I'm expecting market might move downward. If we would have opened the opportunity at the beginning of this candle, that could be a better position, but still I am hoping that market might move in my favor. Let's see. Okay, sir, whatever the doubts you have, I request you just connect with the support team. They will be the best one to help you with that. Okay, so let's move to another one. Okay, and traders, so far any doubt regarding this strategy, feel free to write me in the comment section. Okay, and let me see if anything else is there. These are indicating market can move into the downward, but not sure because Arun is not giving the confirmation. Okay, so AUD NZD is looking good, but CHF JPY is not looking that good so far. Okay, this one I believe that it will go negative. It's quite close, but not that, so we can expect a negative result, but this one is looking fine so far. So we can wait at least here for at least next 13 seconds, and then we can execute the next trade. And traders, one more thing, see, whenever I am executing these trades, so I'm just keep on shuffling my assets, I'm keep on shuffling my cards, and I'm just executing the trades. Very nice. Okay, yeah, so what we were talking about, so I am just keep on shuffling the cards. I am wherever I am getting any signal, so I am executing the trade. But with you, there are no such obligations. Okay, so execute one trade, wait for the result, then according to that take the next trade. Like whether you want to use your risk management or whether you want to use your money management, mean to say you want to increase the trade amount or you want to decrease the trade amount, then trade accordingly. Okay, so let me see what we have. Okay, Hussain ji, again I am requesting the same thing. You are repeating the same thing, that you are using the platform from almost 4 years. Don't trust the platform. Your account got blocked. A few money is stuck there. But understand one more thing: if some verification is initiated on your trading account, until and unless that is not completed, your account will not be unblocked. So just wait for the confirmation. Wait for the verification completion, and once that will be done, of course your funds will be there, so you can withdraw it. Okay, Pradeep ji is having a question. Olymptrade mein. Pradeep ji, let me share you some information. So as per your name, I believe that you are from India. So in India, we have completed almost 11 years in last September. All across, we have completed even more than 14 years in the market. So if everything is streamlined, only then traders are connected with us. Second thing, we are also regulated by government of Vanuatu. We are also member of FinCom, so everything is streamlined. And at the same time, if like there are certain set of rules like which you have to follow, which you can find in our terms and conditions. If I'll give you a quick glimpse about that one, so having multiple accounts on the platform, that is against the policies. If there is some verification initiated on the platform and you are not able to complete that verification, then your account might get blocked. Once you will complete the verification, of course that will be unblocked. And I believe that these are the set of rules like which will be there on every financial platform, and you have to follow. So just create one account, keep on trading on that one whenever the verification is initiated. And it's not like that whenever the verification is initiated, then you will be have to give some documents like which are confidential or which you are not comfortable with. Like if there is a verification initiated for a payment method, like for an example, if you are using a UPI payment method and verification is initiated, all you just need to add the screenshot of that specific payment, like you have made a deposit like 2 weeks, 1 week, or any at any moment. That is something you need to upload. Second thing, if I'll talk about the like what exactly we are talking about. So for the verification, these are the documents. Once you will just upload them, then of course relevant department will look into that and then they will do the needful. Okay. So traders, again requesting you, if anyone is facing any difficulties with the deposit, withdrawal, verification or account related, support team will be the best one. support-en@olymptrade.com, they will be the best to help you with that one, because here I am from a VIP department. The major hold I have, that is on the trading. So I will be only sharing one information. Either you can connect with the support team or you can drop an email to the support. And whenever any of your account is getting blocked, at this very next moment you are getting an email from the relevant department that why your account was blocked. So make sure you have a look on that, work on that reason and just get it done. But make sure you do not violate the rules. Olymptrade से भी अंडर में है, Pradeep ji, I'm so sorry I didn't got your comment. Can you please explain it so I can help you with your concern? Okay, so traders, I'm still available for almost next 10-12 minutes. So whatever doubts you have regarding trading, feel free to write me in the comment section. And anything regarding the platform, deposit, withdrawal, verification, just connect with the support team. Or if you are on advanced level or expert level, just go to the help section, support. You will be able to get in touch with the support team via chat also. Okay, so I'm sure that you will be getting all the required information from there. And of course you can explore these two tabs also, help center and education. So whatever doubts you have, majority of the information is already available there as well. Let's have a look how our last trade is going so far. So far it's looking good. Okay, so nice. So almost 2 minutes to go, but trade is looking good so far. So we can switch the asset and we can try to grab some more signals. We still have almost 5-7 minutes, so we can think about at least let's try to take at least one more trade. Okay, so this one Arun down is moving in the just parallel to the 100 level, but parabolic, they have switched their direction. So we need to wait for the confirmation or we need to wait for their intersection. So we can think about it, either we need to wait on that specific asset or we can do one thing, we can switch the asset. And now traders, this is something which you can also follow as well, that whenever you are using any strategy, make sure you are not stick to one specific asset. Basically 3 major reasons are there. If one trade is not good, like back-to-back trades are not going positive, so there is a possibility that some fundamental data has floated into the market which is affecting that asset and your trades are negative. So you should switch the asset. Second thing, if we are keep on focusing on one specific asset, then we will start making some assumptions that something happened 10 minutes ago and this is something which is going to happen again. And on that basis, we will start making some trades not based on the analysis, based on the assumption, and of course that can lead to negatives. Third thing, sometime when we are using any specific asset, we are keep on following one specific asset, then what exactly we will be finding that it is taking time to generate a signal, and out of curiosity or out of greed or just being impatient, we will take a trade, and that can lead to a negative result. So if we are keep on shuffling, so as you might have observed that if on one asset signal is not there, I am switching to another. If there is not signal, I am switching to another, and then I am just keep on shuffling my cards to grab them. So this is something which you can follow also, that wherever you will be finding signal, take a trade. If not signal is there, switch to the another one. If signal can be there, just wait for them. Bhullarji, I have already shared the multiple times the required information regarding this one, but still if you have missed, so let me share it once again, one last time. So we are the member of FinCom. We are also regulated by government of Vanuatu. So everything is streamlined. In India, we have completed almost 11 years all across. We have completed more than 14 years. So if everything is streamlined, I believe that is the reason that we have users in millions. Rest still I leave it on your conscious. I leave it on your trading experience, on your whatever your experience. Just spend some time, explore it, and then make your decision. Okay, that is completely up to you, because I don't want you to rely on me. Just rely on yourself. Just explore it, take some time. I'm not asking you to make any investment until and unless you are not sure. Okay, so let's see how was the last trade. Okay, so GBP USD went negative. Okay, so 2-minute trade was looking good, but 3-minute trade was not looking that good. That went negative. No worries, no worries, no worries. So we will try to grab it. We have already made a few huge profit. Like one profit was for 85, and the second profit was for $42, 42 or 45. Let me see again. Yeah, 42.50. So whatever the losses we have made so far, I believe we have covered majority of them. So I don't think like we need to bother about that, or we need to get panic about that. But still, we will keep on shuffling, and I'm still available for at least next 4 minutes. So traders, any doubt, any question, any issues there regarding trading, feel free to write me in the comment section. And traders, one last thing, like before we'll wind up today's conversation, so I just need a quick feedback from your side. This feedback is regarding today's conversation, today's strategy, today the way I have communicated with you to help you with all your trading concerns. So you can share your feedback regarding today's session from 0 to 5 star. 0 is going to be the worst, 5 is going to be the best. Even though if you are going to give 0, that is completely accepted, because I have tried to spare my time to help you. You have spared your time to get in touch with me, so I respect everything. So make sure you take full benefit of that one. Just share your feedback. So in case if anything is required to be fixed, if anything is required to be worked on, so of course I will be taking care of that. So in upcoming session, you will be finding that I have worked on those specific things. So feel free to share your feedback. 0 to 5 star, 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. If you want to share anything in between also, that is most welcome. But make sure you share it, because I want to make sure that whenever you are sparing some time, or whenever I am coming live, I am just taking care of all your doubts and concerns and everything. Okay, this trade went negative. So when the signal was there, intersection was there, the signal was in a better position, but right now it's not looking that good. No worries, no worries, no worries. So I think we should switch back to a 2-minute trade time frame. So in case if I will be able to grab any opportunity, any further opportunity, I will try to execute a trade with 2 minutes. Let's see how exactly it will go. So, and trader, this is something which you are supposed to do also, like whenever the back-to-back trades are going positive or back-to-back trades are going negative. So these are the small amendments all you just need to make. Okay, so your most of trades are in loss. Of course, Krishna ji, this is something which I am always used to say, that it's not surety that all the trades will go positive or all the trades will go negative. Sometime we will be facing back-to-back losses, sometime we will be facing back-to-back profits also. Like if I'll talk about today also, so I have made a few profit, a few losses. Then when I was thinking, I was sure about the signal, so I have increased my trade amount so that I can recover everything. And this is something which I believe that you should also follow, that when you are losing something, try to lose the minimum. And you are making some profit, you are able to make max to max. So all in all, if we'll take a quick example, so we started somewhere on this trade. So how many losses, how much loss we have made? 1 2 3 4 5 40 75 80 85 95 100 and 5, and then these two, so somewhere around 130. And the profit we have made, so these are the profits which we have made. So 85 plus this 26, so that is somewhere around 120, then 130, 160 and 170. So all in all, in today's trading, like this 1 hour, so we have made a loss of somewhere around 130, and we have made a profit of somewhere around 170. So all in all, this 1 hour we managed to book a profit of $40. And $40, it's not like it's huge, but all in all, it's a profitable session. And this is something which we always suggest you to do whenever you're losing some trades. Make sure you lose the minimum. When you're making profits, you make maximum amount of it. No, Pradeep ji, we are not under SEBI. So we, as I have already mentioned, that we are registered under the government of Venue 2. So we are not registered under the SEBI. But that doesn't mean that we are not legal at all, or like we are illegal. We are not registered in India, but we are also not illegal. Okay. Most states were closed. Thanks. No worries, Saranji. I'll try to improve my skill set. I'll try to work on my trade side also. But thank you so much for your grading. Okay, and see, Krishna ji, this is something like which we always suggest, that these are technical tools. They are not going to promise 100% accuracy. So you need to focus also. We have spent a lot of time, but still we are making some losses. But sometimes traders are stating that they are following 10 to 15 sessions, and then they are just trying to grab the hold on the green candles, red candles, and then they are just focusing on that one, and they are expecting that they will start making profit. I know that this is not the way, or like, I'm so sorry if I am using my harsh word, but this is not the way we should consider that trading is. We need to invest some time also. We need to learn about that also. Okay, so far market is quite slow, so I think we can finish this session right away. I have executed one more trade. Let's see if this trade will go positive. Okay, so I think I have tried to cover majority of the comments, but in case if I have missed something, if I have skipped something, I'm so sorry, traders. I will try to cover them in the upcoming session. And before winding up this today's conversation, again requesting you, please make sure subscribe the channel, be part of the family, because on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic. Like multiple languages are available, so whichever you are comfortable with, make sure you explore the playlist from there. And of course you can also do one thing, just try to observe the timing of those sessions, so you will be able to connect at that specific time. Okay, and whatever the strategy I have showcased in today's session or in previous conversation, me or any of my colleague, they have showcased. So make sure whatever you are learning, make sure you practice it on your demo account, then take it on your live account. Okay, so thank you so much, trader. Thank you so much for such a wonderful session. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, keep earning, and that's it. This was your host, this was your financial expert, your friend, your buddy, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers.